Good morning, children. 11th science. Last day we were discussing critical temperature. So I showed you one graph that was isotherm. Let me explain you. This was the isotherm. And isotherm means क्या बेटा? Constant temperature पे जो graph draw करते हैं pressure और volume में, that is isotherm. ठीक है? तो हर एक particular temperature पे curves are drawn between pressure and volume. So this side volume is going to decrease. So and pressure is increased. So we saw that at 73 atmospheric pressure and one particular temperature that was 30.98 degree C, लिक्विड जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस थी वो लिक्विड फेज में आ गई है ना, और फिर इमीडिएटली वो आफ्टर लिक्विड फिर वो गैस में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. ये पूरा लिक्विड है. इसके ऊपर अगर टेम्परेचर लेते हैं तो दैट विल बी ओनली इन गैसियस फेज ओनली. दैट मीन्स दिस इज़ द हाइएस्ट टेम्परेचर at which the liquid carbon dioxide will appear in liquid phase, that is liquid state. So this is the liquefaction of carbon dioxide occurs at this temperature, that is 73 atmospheric pressure and 30.98 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर. ठीक है. और उसके पहले हमने क्या देखा कि उसके नीचे के टेम्परेचर में गैस और लिक्विड के बीच में जो इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट है और ये इस तरह से डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर पे. सो दिस particular constant temperature is known as isotherm, at which the graph between pressure and volume is drawn, right? So now you can easily understand what I have written here, critical temperature. तो वो जो 30.98 डिग्री सी टेम्परेचर है ना बेटा, जिसके ऊपर वो लिक्विफाई हुआ और उससे ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर अगर करते हैं तो गैस विल नॉट लिक्विफाई, दैट इज़ नोन एज एक्चुअली क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर. सो द डेफिनेशन कैन बी रिटन एज द हाइएस्ट टेम्परेचर एट विच अ सब्सटेंस can exist as a liquid is known as critical temperature and it is denoted by Tc. Above Tc यानी above critical temperature the molecules have too much kinetic energy. उससे ज़्यादा अगर temperature करते हैं तो molecules of gases will be in motion and so too much kinetic energy will be there and for the intermolecular attractive force to hold them together. तो intermolecular forces जो हैं वो इतने capable नहीं रहेंगे हायर काइनेटिक एनर्जी की वजह से कि वो उनको साथ में ला सकें. तो एक सेपरेट लिक्विड फेज नहीं ऑब्टेन होगा. कब? व्हेन इट इज़ अबव द टीसी, अबव द क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर, है ना. सो क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर पे वो लिक्विड बनेगा बट अबव क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर बिकॉज ऑफ द काइनेटिक इंक्रीज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी लिक्विड फेज विल नॉट ऑब्टेन या लिक्विड स्टेट विल नॉट ऑब्टेन एट ए टेम्परेचर बिलो टीसी. क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर से नीचे अगर टेम्परेचर है, the molecules are close enough for the attractive forces to act and so condensation occurs and no condensation occurs नहीं आ गया and no condensation takes place above Tc. So you understood what is critical temperature. अब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के लिए क्या पढ़ा हमने, ग्राफ में क्या देखा, आइसोथर्म में. कोई पूछे व्हाट इज आइसोथर्म, व्हाट यू विल आंसर. आइसोथर्म इज द graph between P and V, that is pressure and volume at constant temperature. So 30.9 degree C is the Tc of CO2. Volume of 1 mole of the gas at critical temperature is known as critical volume, that is Vc. And that pressure is known as Pc. The pressure at this temperature is known as critical pressure. The critical temperature, critical volume and critical pressure, इन तीनों को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा, क्रिटिकल कॉन्स्टेंट्स. व्हाट वी विल से देम, क्रिटिकल कॉन्स्टेंट्स. अंडरस्टूड. देन लिक्विड स्टेट, इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस. अब लिक्विड स्टेट में क्या होता है, उसके पहले लेट मी टेल यू लिक्विड में क्या क्या पढ़ा है हमने. दे हैव इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस, दे आर स्ट्रॉन्गर इन लिक्विड स्टेट देन इन गैसियस स्टेट. इन गैसियस स्टेट मॉलिक्यूल्स आर सेपरेटेड बाई टू मच डिस्टेंस. There is very less space between the molecules of liquids. Liquids have definite volume, पता ही है. So now we will come to understand what is vapor pressure. So if you notice children, एक particular temperature पे, if this is the vessel and liquid is there, ठीक है. So एक particular temperature पे vapor will be formed. Okay. अगर lid नहीं लगा हुआ है तो ये surrounding में चला जाएगा. if it is closed, then what will happen, imagine करो कि ये closed है तो liquid is heated ठीक है. So when liquid is heated, vapor will be formed, and this vapor then will get, अगर ये lid closed है तो then it will get condensed and again it will be in the liquid state. Okay. So vapor to liquid and liquid to vapor, there can be an equilibrium state. So that is written over here. That is, process of vaporization is temperature dependent. You know, vapor कब बनेगा? It is due to temperature. When an equilibrium state is established between liquid phase and vapor phase, this is liquid phase and this is vapor phase. अगर एक equilibrium, अगर ये closed lid है, ठीक है, तो what will happen? ये vapor है. So then an equilibrium state is established between liquid phase and vapor phase. Then the vapor pressure at this stage is known as equilibrium vapor pressure or saturated vapor pressure. The temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to the external pressure is called boiling temperature at that pressure. That temperature at which vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the external pressure is called boiling temperature of that pressure. When a liquid is heated in an open vessel, the liquid vaporizes from the surface. Take out your textbook and see the sentences. Liquid vaporizes from the surface at the temperature at which vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equal to the external pressure. Vaporization can occur throughout the bulk of the liquid and vapor expands freely into the surrounding. The condition of free vaporization through the liquid is known as boiling. The temperature at which vapor pressure is equal to the external pressure, अभी मैंने बताया, is called boiling temperature or at that pressure. Vapor pressure of some common liquids is given to us in figure 5.12. So let me explain you figure 5.12. So in this graph you can see this is vapor pressure. Pressure है तो mmHg will be the unit. And here it is temperature in Kelvin. So if you see children, 373 Kelvin, boiling point of water. Then ethyl alcohol, see carefully, it is 351.3. Then carbon tetrachloride 349.7. Then diethyl ether 308 Kelvin. Okay. So these are the certain compounds whose boiling points are given over here, and this is known as vapor pressure. ठीक है. At 1 atmosphere, now we will see, फिर से देखो ध्यान से इसको. The temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid is equal to the external pressure is known as boiling temperature. So vapor pressure of some common liquids at various temperature is given in this table. At 1 atmospheric pressure, boiling temperature is called normal boiling point. If pressure is 1 bar, then the boiling point is known as standard boiling point of the liquid. So today we will read till here only. Tomorrow rest part I will explain.